De Lima, I understand there are 4 cases. Are you planning to, number one, consolidate them? And sir, when are you planning to issue a subpoena?
Actually, 2 Fridays ago, I issued already a department order consolidating all 4 cases against the senator and company. And we have already formed, as you know, 5-man committee panel to investigate this preliminarily in the Department of Justice, headed by Prosecutor Peter Ong. So I talked to Prosecutor Ong last week, and he said that the subpoena would be released, might be released within the early this week. That's why as to when, as to how, hindi na po kami nakialam dyan kasi we might be accused again by some persons that kahit yung mga work ng 5-man panel pinakikialaman namin. So if you have some question about how or when this subpoena will be released, I believe that you have to go to the 5-man panel.
What is the strongest evidence you can tell us against Senator Laila De Lima, Secretary?
Well, the 2 NBI deliveries of 5 million each in the house of Senator De Lima, and lahat yan because of they are almost unanimous. The affidavits of the inmates are very strong. In this affidavit of the inmates, naming some persons like Ronnie Dayan, Jonel Sanchez, that they are the ones, the collector of De Lima of the drug monies inside the Bilibid. When before, Secretary De Lima denied that they have a relationship with Dayan, he could very well say, how could a mere driver or a mere security or a mere bodyguard go inside the NBP and tell them that I'm going to collect money from you because I'm going to give this to Secretary De Lima? But once, when she admitted her alliance, her common law relationship with Ronnie Dayan, nag-ibang ng kulay. Because the probability of Dayan going inside the New Bilibid collecting money, tumas talagang lumaki ang probability.